And it's
ooh, there's moving and
Austin.
shaking happening.
Austin! Thank you to our Lord and Savior, Austin!
Use your eyes.
If you'd like to join these fine folk, please go to our website, thankgodimatheist.com.
Go. No one there now. You may proceed. Fuck you going. Good job, asshole.
This omission or
what is this bullshit? Really? Is there anyone in there? Where's on? This is called the traffic lane. Hey, good job parking in the street.
Why did you pass?
Because I shouldn't have to. This is the traffic lane.
It's a passing lane.
No, it's not. Good job. It's called a passing lane? No. You couldn't park like right there? Huh? Oh, but that's like 20 feet further down. No, can't do that. It's too much work.
Was it necessary to continue to push for a state directing people to leave all the way through that period of time until it was a completion after
I thought there was an obligation.
Oh, buddy.
And I understand there was an obligation as well.
would it have been possible in any
Using the bus lane to pass.
mark down to voting?
Everyone thinks that probably that bike lane is the left turn lane. It's not.
Hey, like, my client has 10 new shiny toys that I helped it get, you know? And, like, that feels good. So, yeah.
What is this?
Yeah. That is, I will tell you. My
What
client
the
owns
fuck?
so, you know, it was some checkers.
Good job.
Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, no, that is
And Eli, how bad was this meeting?
Well, if you look, the 1998 flop Sliding Doors, but there wasn't enough of the children's game hotter or colder for you. You will love this movie.
Fair. So is there anything you just want to nominate this one for being the best and being the worst at?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with best worst Christian actors trying to be at a bar.
Yeah.
It's so weird. Like, clearly, none of these people have been in a bar for more than 5 minutes. You dude, like, they walk up to the bar and they're like, hey, bartender. And bartender's like, so, what you celebrating? Like, there has to be a big...
Involved in like that seems fishy.
I would say, and I would draw the line on prosecutions, reporting on prosecutions versus public statements, right? So, you know, when you are announcing administration policy, right? Like, so remember that the Attorney General
Where are you trying to go?
in those multiple roles. Right?
What are you doing?
Literally in the middle.
in charge of law enforcement,
Everyday
in
shit.
charge of prosecution.
Power I'm like, what the hell?
10:15?
Oh, it's 7:15.
Oh, 7.
Yeah.
Oh, that's super cool. The dashboard. It said my name there.
Oh, yeah.
That's quite different.
Look at this asshole.
Oh.
Just parked in the middle of the
Oh
road.
my god.
But so considerate. So
What an early
so
Monday
courteous to
morning.
others.
Yeah.
See that shit every day. What? There's other people on the road.
ADHD is bad.
Nice parking spot. Yep. Sure, go through a red light. Very smart.
This time when like there was a big census that makes no fucking sense if you think about it for 8 seconds.
Look at that parking spot. Amazing.
Yeah. What did you think about the James Webb Telescope images?
It was so beautiful. It was such an
Turn your lights on.
inspiring piece of humanity and a
Nope.
drawing us from our
What are you doing, step bro?
He called these groups the photo negative or the photo inverse of the extreme right. So there's no distinction. Oh my God. These kind of yeah. This kind of rhetoric. It really scares me. Right? Yeah. It right now we're all like personally I'm fighting really hard from being pushed into just one camp. Right. Because everything right now wants to divide us between all the way over here and all the way over there. Yeah. And it's just not healthy. No, right? We know this. Not. We all know it's not healthy. It's not healthy for society. It's not healthy for the individuals. Right? Like there are so many we get to criticize nations for bad actions. Doesn't mean we're anti-Jewish or anti-Semitic. It doesn't even mean we're anti-Israel. It just means we're against these actions. We're against this behavior. Thank you. Yeah.
Great job, cop.
Yeah, it's just like and when you do that, when you decide that you're going to call out anyone
Okay, you're gonna do it
who
again.
even criticizes the criticizable stuff, yeah, it has this chilling effect on.
No, you're not, Jimmy.
Wow.
How about you, AJ?
Right in the street, idiots! Basically the dividing line.
right.
What is this asshole doing? Sorry, I'd like to commentate out loud at all the driving idiocy.
She was the one that audited and they no. The one who audited the field was
Turn your lights on!
I don't know going back to what, because what that coach did leading his team in the coach leading
Bikes
his
need
team
lights.
in prayer still keep I appreciate what they're trying to do. But again,
Where's your bike light?
A lot of the students are
Another one.
stuff. And if their coach
That's a great place for a trash can. Right in the bike lane. Let's see, 15-minute load and unload zone. Read the instructions, don't ride on the sidewalk. Why the fuck is USPS parked in the bike lane? Oh my god. That's not a parking spot, asshole. It's the bike lane. Parking's over there. That's not a bike, right? That's a car.
Return soon with even more of the Wednesday Morning Breakfast Club.
Okay. If I need now paper towels, let's go.
Nice parking spot.
All right. No, okay, cool. I'll just grab this one here then.
No, they're all mine. I need some.
Yeah.
I need some more.
Okay, sorry. Who are you?
I'm a part of broken. Yeah. Hold up. Okay, so I'm making a note.
Wow.
We could do a whole episode on how much safety net to provide kids.
I think I had an episode topic for that written down as well, which is just like, the prompt I had actually was, what do you want your kids to do when they grow up? Not that you're in control of it, but like, what would you?
Great parking. Good job. Whew. Really, dude. Really. Oh my god. Not sure why you're stopping there. Good job, asshole. What a great place to stop. Oh my god. Sidewalks aren't for parking. So much dumb wrapped up in one set intersection right there.
1 hour later.
Oh my god. Why? You, go. Can't stop in the middle of the road, idiot. Look at this fucking idiot. Go. Go. You're literally blocking the road. Let's go, genius. Middle of the road. Keep going. No! It's a double yellow line. It's a double yellow line. This guy. Look at that fucking idiot. Jesus. Good job, idiot.